Jewelers will never reveal this trick to you. Over time, silver tarnishes due to natural chemical reactions. It reacts with sulfur in the air, leading to oxidation and a color change. Prepare a pan and pour about 500 milliliters of water into it. Wait until the water boils. Drop the jewelry into the water, making sure it's completely covered. Add a tablespoon of toothpaste to the water, preferably one without abrasives. The toothpaste has cleaning properties and will not only help clean but also polish. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda, which will cause foam to appear, helping to squeeze the dirt out of the jewelry and eliminate any unpleasant odors. Also add a tablespoon of salt. Salt helps keep silver in good condition, preventing further tarnishing and oxidation. Now, take a piece of aluminum foil and tear it off. Fold it into a smaller rectangle. The foil acts as a catalyst in the cleaning process, speeding up chemical reactions, allowing the silver to become cleaner and shinier. Add the piece of foil to the jewelry. Heat everything for a few minutes. All the dirt will come out of the silver. This simple combination will restore the silver's shine as if it were professionally cleaned by a jeweler, and every crevice will shine like new.